Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning from this side. This is Chukwulotam Nnamdi. Without wasting much of our time, I just want to speak briefly or concerning this dream of a thing. Because normally many people do come to my day and start giving me some problems day in day out, and they need my explanation concerning dreams. Understand? I cannot answer everybody, but I will try my best to reply one after the other. So that's the reason why I had to do this live video. I just want to talk about dreams. I talked about dreams are powerful, that you should be careful. You shouldn't joke with what. Network is bad. I don't understand the kind of area I am. Like, this is why I find it so difficult to do live video. Like, seriously. Concerning what I was saying about dream, I said you all should know the kind of dream. Mind you, this dream I'm talking about is a vision shown to you in the spiritual realm. That is why when I tell people that they should be cautious of what they dream about, they think maybe I don't know what I'm saying. When the enemy wants to get you and they couldn't get you physical, they go through spiritual realm. Sometimes you are being shown things which will come. There are people like this. There are some of you here whose dream do come to pass. There are people who their dream come to pass. Like I can remember. Let me tell you something. I just want you people to learn from this. I know someone. When we were small, understand? I know of someone. You see this lady. This lady, she dream a lot, and her dream is a kind of thing that comes to reality. And about this lady, she makes friends a lot. And because maybe they have told her something that let her join their coven, she refused on joining it. So later on, through that dream, they initiate her through the dream. I know what I'm saying. This is not something that somebody said. This is something I saw clearly with my two eyes. This is not something that someone say. Maybe I hear it. No. This lady had to. She was not initiated in the coven of witch. You understand what I'm saying? So before they could deliver this lady, that's when she was not growing up. Before, if not because of how powerful the parents is, I'm not sure. Maybe the lady by now should have been delivered. Is only if you have a parents who always check for you, thank your God. If you don't have a parent who doesn't check for you too, you always go about to check for yourself. It's also good. So why am I telling you this? You should be careful of the dream you dream. Truly, it's good to be positive, but mind you, there are things shown to you. Most of you dream. Someone was telling me about his dream, dreaming of where he or she is seeing dead people. You don't have to joke with that dream. Network is bad. But I must do this live video. I know network wants to spoil me, but I must do this live video. You don't have to joke with that dream. Whenever you see yourself dreaming of all this kind of dream, maybe you see yourself dreaming of death, you don't have to joke with it. You the kiganjem, kigawo loka, even ile poor. Because if I need a wozik and a ziggy, they are showing you something. It's either something is going to happen to that person or something is going to happen to the family of that person. Onye need the watching kete. Most time people will dream where they see death, and you just keep quiet and positive. Nothing will happen. It's a lie. Something must happen. Okay, let me share you my own experience. There was a time when I was small, I dreamt where my father died. So due to how little I am, I do not understand the dream. You understand what I'm saying? So I had to go and tell someone who senior me very well. So immediately I went to her. You know what she told me? She said the dream is all about my father is going to live long. I was like, oh, that I should pray that my father should live long. I said, okay, no problem. As little as I am now, I don't know anything. You understand? I had to pray. I said my father should live long, but today my father is late. You understand? These are things you should not joke with. Some people will dream where they eat in the dream, and they said it's nothing. I'm positive. No problem. If you don't understand the spiritual realm, that is why. When you understand, you are still a carnal minded. Possible you really understand the spiritual realm, you will not joke with anything shown to you in the dream. I can remember when I used to dream dreams of where I used to have sex. You understand what I'm saying? And I do not understand. I walk towards it, but today it doesn't happen again. So when I see people talk about that sleeping in the dream is a good dream, I smile. Believe what you want to believe. It's your choice. Don't come to me. Believe what you want to believe. It's your choice. It's your life. But don't come to me and start telling me that this is what somebody said. I'm telling you this is what. If it happens, if something is shown to you in the dream, don't just sit down. That's why I do urge people that they should always have their alligator pepper with them. If you're not with your alligator pepper, try and be with your native egg. If you're not with your native egg, try and be with orji. If you're not with orji, try and be with cocoyam. All those things is very, very effective. Okay, some people will dream a dream where they are picking palm fruit. It's a good dream. You are picking palm fruit. That's, you understand? Apple is a good dream. If you are a woman, it means you are expecting a baby. If you're a man, just make sure you're expecting a money. You understand? Some people will dream all manner of things. Some people will see themselves where they are meeting dead people. Mind you, go for check if any make. When some people meet themselves where they are picking firewood, it's a very bad dream. Understand? If that dream signifies two things, it's either Oria or Yembu. That's sufferness. You don't joke with it. There are dreams that have meanings. If you don't know the meaning, you meet someone who knows the meaning. Let them help you. If somebody doesn't want to help you, true, we have people. Or maybe they don't know anything. They just want to say. It's true. But people that you know, I'm not trying to see. Let me tell you something. I keep telling people, yes, everybody has spiritualists, but it's not like I'm the best. But when I tell you something and maybe you think what I'm saying is false, at least I keep saying it. Whenever I tell you something and you think it's false, try another person and check it for yourself. Don't just come and say this person is this person is saying that. If your mind is doubting you that this person is or maybe if you check another person. Mind you, ungo signifies many things. Try anytime you go on jaw or you got tangogi, try and use alligator pepper, 7 pieces. If you now anything. You understand? And you wave it in your head for good 4 times. It's too 4 years. It's very, very. Understand? Service is very bad here, but we'll try our best to talk. I don't have much to say, but just because people come to my DM, they keep telling me the kind of dreams they dream, this and that, and I don't know who to answer. I just want to. Some people were even asking me if I dream this kind of dream, at least I should be. Yes, you have to be. You can be positive, but mind you, has a meaning. It's very, very important to work towards it. If you cannot work towards it, at least chekube no umugi. Understand? You protect yourself. Why am I telling people to always have alligator pepper, all these things? It's because this help in the spiritual realm. I'm telling you the truth. You see this, you see cocoyam, you see animals, all these things, you can use it to destroy winches, or maybe anything, maybe any your job. It helps a lot, but people don't understand. So if you don't know, you meet people who know. There are people beside you who know more better than you. You meet them. Got that? I won't talk more on this, but just try. Whenever you dream a dream, if you don't understand it, or maybe if you don't want it to come to pass, I've talked about stuff. Explain what alligator pepper use. You use alligator pepper. Don't just sit down and just say I'm positive, nothing will happen. It's a lie. Something will happen, especially when someone dream of death and you say something will happen. Something will happen, no. Or maybe when someone dream of amenye and ninanlo. If you are there, maybe your own type, they say your dream no they come to pass. That is why. But if it is someone like me, maybe say my dream they come to pass, I don't joke with it. So you should not joke with it. In as much you work in apathy, you don't joke with it. So I don't have much to say. You understand? Dreams are very powerful. For everyone to know what they will be in future, sometimes it may be shown in the dream. What do you need to do? You need to work towards it and act. You don't just have to sit down and expect manna to come from heaven or somebody to help you. You are the one to do it yourself. You understand? Kudochia tabu bochioma de ma ifem na yo Chineke na yo ndị mbu na ndị egede na yo kwa eze nwanyi mme na yo ndị ezumezu ka ife ọma bịa n'isi unu na ọ ya adịla unu na mma n'ife ọbụla unu ti aka ọ ga-abụ ife ọma onye na-eche unu echiche ọjọọ ihe ọjọọ nke ọ na-eche unu ga-agachite onye a ọfọ ka m na-ejelu mmadụ n'ụbọchị nke taa wee na-ekwokwu n'isi onye ọbụla ihe ọma ga-abịa n'isi unu ife ọma ga-abịa ihe ọjọọ agaghị abịala anyị n'ihi na ya na-eche mmadụ echiche ọjọọ onye na-eche anyị echiche ọjọọ ihe ọjọọ ka ọ ya afụ n'ihi na ya aka anyị dị ọcha onye na-eje anyị dị ọjọọ ihe ọjọọ ka ọ ga-afụ ya gazie n'ụbọchị nke taa n'eke n'oyi na afọ na nkwọ ise daalụ.